Imagine this. What if I told you that just one decision to quit smoking could completely change the direction of your life? Sounds unbelievable, right? Most people say it's too hard or the cravings are impossible to handle. But according to scientific research, it's 100% possible. And here's the remarkable part. Your body begins its recovery process within just 20 minutes of quitting. Your heart rate and blood pressure start returning to normal, and your system begins to stabilize naturally. But before we dive deeper, if you love learning about science-backed body transformations, the kind that go beyond motivation and are rooted in real research, then make sure you subscribe to the Clinical Discovery channel and hit that bell icon. Because here, we uncover the hidden science behind every change your body goes through. Within just 20 minutes, your heart rate and blood pressure begin to return to normal levels. The adrenaline-pumping effects of nicotine start to fade, and your body shifts from a constant state of fight mode into recovery mode. After about 8 hours, something remarkable happens. The carbon monoxide in your blood, that toxic gas which once replaced oxygen, starts to leave your system. As a result, your blood becomes richer in oxygen and your energy levels begin to rise naturally. But here's the twist. As nicotine levels drop, your brain's receptors begin to shout, "Give me smoke." This is what's known as the craving phase, and it usually lasts between 24 to 72 hours. During this period, you may feel anxious, irritable, or experience mood swings. But remember, it's completely temporary. With every craving you overcome, your body becomes cleaner, stronger, and one step closer to full recovery. Within just one day, your body begins its incredible healing journey. Inflammation starts to go down, the same inflammation that could have led to heart disease, stroke, or even cancer. And if you notice your cough getting worse, don't panic. That's actually a good sign. It means your lungs cleaning crew has started working, clearing out years of trapped tar and smoke residue from your airways. After about 48 hours, your body takes another major step forward. All the nicotine and its byproducts have now left your system. Your taste buds and smell receptors begin to repair themselves. Suddenly, food tastes richer. Aromas feel stronger. It's like your senses have been reactivated. Around day 3, headaches, anxiety, and fatigue hit their peak. This is the stage where most people give up. But if you can make it through these 3 crucial days, your body officially enters reset mode. Your stamina starts to rise, blood circulation improves, and your system is now fully switched into healing mode. Within just 2 weeks, your heart and lungs start performing better than they have in years. Climbing stairs, running, even a brisk walk, everything begins to feel easier. Your oxygen levels rise, fatigue drops, and your body starts to feel reprogrammed, as if it's returning to its original healthy settings. After about 1 month, something incredible happens inside your lungs. Tiny hair-like structures called cilia, your lungs' microscopic cleaners, come back to life. These cilia sweep out mucus, germs, and toxins, keeping your lungs clean and fully functional. Breathing becomes easier, coughing decreases, and you start to feel a new sense of freshness and energy. After 1 full year, the transformation is undeniable. Your risk of heart attack and stroke drops by up to 50%. Your body has come a long way, from being nicotine dependent to becoming naturally strong and balanced. If you're wondering how to fight those cravings, here are a few science-backed hacks. Drink plenty of water, take short walks, and keep sugar-free gum handy. And whenever a craving hits, try 10 deep breaths. Studies show this simple act can instantly calm the nicotine-triggered stress hormones in your brain. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe to the Clinical Discovery channel, where we uncover the real science of healing happening inside your body. And share this with anyone still stuck in the "I'll quit tomorrow" trap, because tomorrow never comes. But today could be the start of an entirely new life.